buoyant force. Do this activity. Take a bucket full of water. Try to push an inverted glass bottle into the bucket. What do you experience? Now take an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper. Put it in the bucket full of water. What happens? Now try to push the bottle into the water. Is it possible to push it easily to the bottom of the bucket? Why? Now, release the bottle. What happens to it? Friends, the upward force exerted by water on the bottle is known as upthrust or buoyant force. When a body is partially or fully dipped into a liquid, the liquid exerts forces on the body. The force exerted by liquid is perpendicular to the surface of the body and is equal to the product of pressure and area at that point. The resultant of all these contact forces is called buoyant force. Have you ever drawn water from a well? You must have noticed that the bucket of water appears lighter under water but heavier as it comes out of the water. The submerged object appears to lose weight in liquid due to upthrust or buoyant force. The property of liquid to exert an upward force of an object immersed in it is called buoyancy. The buoyant force acting on an object depends on A. Volume of the object. The buoyant force is greater if volume of object submerged in the liquid is larger, and B. Density of liquid. The buoyant force is greater if density of liquid is greater. Do this activity. Take an iron nail and the plastic cap of bottle having nearly equal masses. Put them in water. What do you observe? What makes one of the objects to sink in a liquid and the other object to float in the same liquid? You may have observed a case in which an object floats inside the liquid. Under what conditions does this happen? The buoyant force determines whether an object will float or sink in a liquid. A. If buoyant force exceeds the weight of the object floats. B. If the buoyant force is less than the weight of the object sinks. C. If the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the object, then the object floats inside the liquid.